Hi, this is the Honor Spot 9 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, so that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. Tap twice to OK and just go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Go back somewhere to check the new keyboard look, and as we could see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.